Hey guys, I'm going out for a jog and I just want to share a quick story with you guys on what happened to me when I was 6, 7, 8 years old. As I was warming up just now, I saw this monkey bar, and this is where I broke my hand, my right arm. So what happened, masa maghrib tu main monkey bar sampai dekat this particular bar, this one, I lost grip and then I fell. And dulu sini dia ada lubang besar tau. And then dia letak butter. Ada orang letak butter supaya lubang tu covered. Then butter tu macam terlebih atas sikit. As I fell down, my body was on the upper side and my hand was in between butter dengan badan. So it broke like a twig. So dua-dua tangan, dua-dua tulang tu patah and I broke my hand.